Application versions. In this video, we will look at how to manage versions of a given application. When you create a new application, it always starts with a version 1.0. As you go and make further changes to your application, the minor version will keep on incrementing, but the major version will stay the same. Although the minor version changes, but those minor versions are not checkpointed, or you cannot roll back to them if you need to. In order to create a major version, you need to click on versions, and then you will be presented with this blade, which is basically responsible for all the version management. Over here, you can create a major version, which allows you to create a checkpoint where you can roll back to if needed. It also allows you to keep on modifying or iterating over your app while it is also published and your users are using it. And once you're ready with your new version, you can seamlessly switch over to it and all your users will start to use the new version. In order to create a new version, you have to select the base version that you want to use, and you can click copy. That will create a new major version based on that. As you can see, we have now created a version 3. Similarly, you can click on the delete button if you require to remove a version. This list also shows you which version is published at any given time. One thing to note is that if you are on this dashboard or tile view and your app is published, you'll notice that it will display the version which is published, and clicking on it will always take you to the published version, regardless if it is the latest one or not. However, if you have design time access for the same app and you click on the edit button, that will always take you to the latest version, which might be the one you're working on. You would note that if you're on a version which is not the published one, you get both buttons, publish and unpublish. Clicking on unpublish will unpublish the version which is currently published. However, clicking publish will not only unpublish that version, but also publish this one instead. If you would like to navigate to a different version, you can go to the version manager, select the version you would like to navigate or work with, and click on the view button. That will take you to the version you selected. This is how you version control your applications.